Hi guys, welcome to Easy Food with me, Darshan Gokani. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this salad, which is very simple to make, delicious to taste, and healthy to eat. And to make this delicious salad DG style, you need beetroot, cottage cheese or paneer, corn. For the dressing, you will require a lime, ground cumin, ground cinnamon, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Let's get going. Alright, let's start assembling this beautiful, colorful salad. We will first chop beetroot. You can choose to roast these beetroots or just simply boil them. If you do roast them, pack it up in a foil, put it in the oven for about 40-45 minutes and you are ready. Cut nice bite-sized dices of the beetroot. There we go. So beetroot is very low in carbs. It has a lot of nutrients and it is also said to lower blood pressure. Interesting facts. Alright, in goes all the beetroot. Next, we add some corn. Now, who doesn't like corn, right? These are boiled corn. Corn is a great supplement for our vitamins and minerals. Next, we chop up some paneer or cottage cheese. Now, well, we all know paneer is a high source of proteins, especially for the vegetarians. Again, bite-sized pieces. Toss those in. Now that we're done with all the vegetables, let's get on with the dressing. And now for the fun part of making the dressing. You first need a container like this. Since we don't need a lot of dressing, it's a tiny container. To this you put in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Next, a pinch of cumin powder, a pinch of cinnamon powder, some pink Himalayan salt. Feel free to use whatever salt you have at home, and some pepper. Last but not the least, some lime. To give it a little twist, I am going to put in some lemon rind as well. In you go. Lime. Even all the gorgeous juices out of it. Shut the lid and give it a shake. Like I said, this is the fun part of this recipe. Let's give it a try. You are going to love this. The depth the cinnamon and the cumin powder it gives to the dressing is just out of the world. And another thing to remember, when it's beetroot, cinnamon and cumin are its best friends. So worry not and just pour it over. Give that a nice mix. Look how beautifully the beetroot has taken over and spread its beautiful colors all through the salad. The cottage cheese has turned pink. Can't wait to eat it. The salad is now ready to serve. And to add some crunch, these beautiful mixed seeds. Cook it, click it, post it on Easy Food with DG. If you still haven't subscribed onto my YouTube channel, do it right away. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I will see you soon. So good.